Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. We are out here gearing up for another day of killing army worms. Hopefully we can get some applications down before the rain gets here. This has been unlike anything we've ever seen before. It's been absolutely crazy. We have since Wednesday scheduled over 100 army worm applications. That's how bad it is this year. And to give you a comparison, last year we did a total of 2 army worm applications. The year before that, we didn't do any armyworm applications. That's how bad it is. It's pretty crazy. But there's been 2 questions that I've had that I wanted to answer about armyworms. Number one is, and I kind of alluded to this in the previous video, if you don't have them and you get a bifenthrin application down, you're going to have a residual of about 2 to 3 weeks at least that will keep them out of your lawn. So if you don't see them now, you still want to get an application down. Use a bifenthrin product, and that'll make sure that you don't have an issue, that they don't move into your lawn. The other thing is, armyworms don't attack your root system. They're not like grub worms that will kill off your lawn and you'll have to replace it completely, resod if you have an infestation. Armyworms just eat the foliage off the top of your lawn. They eat the blades of grass. They don't go below the turf to the root system. What that means is, if you have an infestation and they've already killed off a large portion of your lawn, it will recover. It's going to take some time. It's going to be slow. It might be next spring before it recovers, but it will recover nonetheless. So you don't have to start all over and start from scratch if you've got damage from armyworm. So just want to answer those 2 questions. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or you need us to help you out with this, let us know. We'll get you scheduled in as soon as we can. We have postponed all of our regular applications right now to deal with this armyworm issue. So again, hope that helps. Let us know if we can help you out. Thanks.